Hey, what's going on? Tripp Kramer from trippadvice.com. I find that a lot of guys let people and maybe even women step all over them, treat them poorly. And I thought that this video would help because it's something that I've been through personally, been through situations where people don't treat me the way I want to be treated. And there is a way to fix this, and there is something that you can do, which I'll be talking about in just a moment, that's going to help with this and help you understand why it's important to do the right move when someone is treating you poorly. I find that a lot of this has to do with confidence. People who don't have confidence let people step all over them. If you feel that confidence is an area where you really need to fix or succeed in, I think everyone needs it no matter what, but if you definitely feel like you're not a confident person, I want you to check out a free video that I have. It's down below. It's called Instantly Confident. It's a short video that's going to give you my best tips and techniques for becoming more confident in your life. Again, it's called Instantly Confident. It's 100% free. It's down below. Check it out. Click that link and go get it. But let's talk about how to make sure that you're not being treated badly anymore, okay? So that you can stick up for yourself and so that you can feel more powerful. And what happens when you stick up for yourself and then you end up feeling more powerful is you do something crazy. You build a little something called self-esteem. And what this does is this builds confidence. We just talked about that. And it also gets you to attract more people in your life. So you will be a more attractive person when you're more confident and have self-esteem, but it all starts about what to do when people treat you badly. So what do? You ghost. This is the time in your life where at least I feel that ghosting is the best thing you could do to anyone who treats you poorly. If you don't do this and you don't ghost them, you're just basically letting people walk all over you whenever they want. Some people don't go as drastic as this, but I say you're probably wasting your time if you don't just completely ghost anyone who treats you poorly in a way that doesn't make you feel good, or surrounding yourself by people that don't make you feel good. So let's imagine you have friends that are bringing you down, that are being negative to you, that put you down. Let's say you have any women that are rejecting you, that are not interested in you. Let's say you're getting taken advantage of by somebody and you figured something out. Let's say that you're being gaslighted by someone. Let's say you're being manipulated by someone, or anyone you're around is putting you down in any way. You ghost them. You literally never speak to them again. I know this seems like an intense move. You might be thinking, Tripp, whoa, hold on, man. I can't just ghost someone. I can't just do that. What happens if, I want to talk to them and like work it out and all that stuff? Okay. Are there exceptions to this? Yes, there are. If someone does one thing and makes a mistake, you don't have to ghost them. Well, depending how big the mistake is. A woman cheats on you. Yeah, I'd probably just ghost her. I'd probably just be done with her, right? If a woman is going to do that, you're never going to trust her again. You might as well just completely be done with her. No reason to talk to them again. But if it's like a one-time thing that's, with a friend you've had for a long time and it's always been a good friendship, yeah, mistakes happen. I'm not talking about those little baby mistakes, those little once-in-a-while errors. I'm talking about where someone is treating you badly on a constant basis. But I want to be careful here. I don't want you to push it too far where you're like, okay, how much is too much? Look, you know how much is too much. You should know. It's not going to take 10 times for someone to treat you poorly or for a woman to reject you more than once, right? So use some common sense here. But once you get to, or I should say even before you get to a breaking point, you just downright ghost them. What we do is we tend to let people do this to us over and over and over again. We just let people do it constantly. We give people second chances and then it happens again. Whatever it is, the whole list that I just gave you, right? We are very nice. We want to kind of, make friends. And listen, I don't consider this burning a bridge. First of all, if someone is treating you that badly, burning a bridge to me would be like you're blowing things up. But this is different. You're just ghosting them. You're not talking to them anymore. You're not responding to their text messages anymore. You're not speaking to them anymore. I actually want you to right now, if there's anyone in your life who's treating you poorly, you take your phone, okay? scroll into the settings and then block them. So find their number and then press the block this caller. And the reason why I want you to go as far as that, to actually do that, is because you might be tempted to talk to them again. So delete their number, block them, and keep them out of your life. Is it going to be hard at first? It sure will. Will you feel refreshed, empowered, powerful? Finally, when it's completely done with? Yes, because you took control. And make sure that once you block them, you don't go back. Okay, this is not like you're doing it for a set amount of time. This is forever. You don't want to talk to this person anymore. Live in an abundant mindset where there's plenty of women who will be interested in you, plenty of people who will treat you right, and there's no time for these people in your life that are bringing you down. It kills your self-esteem. 2 things that build your self-esteem up. 1, keeping the promises that you make to yourself. If you set a goal, keep it. If you're trying to create a habit, keep it. You'll find yourself getting much happier and much more in touch with who you are, and you'll like yourself more. 2, and this is where this video comes in, is making sure that you're surrounding yourself by people who treat you well and really focusing on curating a peer group that lifts you up and doesn't knock you down. People who are interested in the same things as you, people who are interested in the same goals as you. That's going to make you feel so much better. And surrounding yourself by people is going to help you reach those goals, which then is going to make you feel better. So we want to surround ourselves by positive people who are lifting us up, not knocking us down. If you made it so far in this video, and I'm sure you have because this has been very helpful, I hope, is I want you to write down in the comments, I won't get knocked down, with a big exclamation point. In fact, use 10 exclamation points. I want to see 100 of these. Say, I won't get knocked down, okay? Again, the way you're going to do this is completely ghost people. If you feel that you need more help with the confidence, check out Instantly Confident. It's an amazing video. It's going to teach you how to build confidence beyond just ghosting people and getting rid of people in your life who are toxic. So that's what I want you to do. I want you to check out Instantly Confident. Start building your confidence today. And write down in the comments down below, I won't get knocked down. Hope this helps. Hope this motivated you and pumped you up. I definitely want you to try it. I want you to do it, embody it. It's going to be so much better when you're in your most powerful self.